Hi everyone, welcome to TPP Learning Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark an item in error and how to reinstate a deleted item. First of all, retrieve a patient record. Navigate to the entry or item that you wish to delete. In this instance, there's a duplication of vaccinations recorded within this patient record. Simply right-click on the item. You will be able to see the option Mark in Error. Click on it. You will then be prompted to record a reason. Select the appropriate option. If you wish to free text a different reason, please select the Other option. Click OK to confirm. All deleted items will now be visible in your tabbed journal and deleted item node, providing that you have the View Deleted Item access right on your smart card. Although an item has been deleted, it remains in the patient record for auditing purposes. If you believe an item needs to be removed permanently, you could right-click on the deleted item in the tabbed journal and select Remove from Patient Record. This will then trigger a task to send to the Caldicott Guardian in your organization for approval. If an item has been marked in error by mistake and you have already saved the patient record, you could reinstate it by right-clicking on the deleted item in the tabbed journal and select Reinstate Data into Record. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. For hints and tips, follow us on Twitter at TPP Training Tips.